Gio, it is Mrs. Kroll. We're so glad that you're back at Agora. I know you were a returning student and just came back. I apologize for yesterday in class. I was not able to hear you on the microphone. I know you did try to talk. My audio was all screwed up on my computer, so I apologize for that. Today, for your math activity, all I would like for you to do is work in your IXL and complete your math diagnostic. You don't have to complete it all today unless you would like to. You can spend today and even Monday working on it, but I'm going to show you where to go to find the IXL diagnostic for math. And when you go through there, please take your time. I'm going to show you that there is an option if you don't know how to do one of the questions. I'll show you what to do. But this is going to give me a nice idea of where your math levels are. And it will take you a little while. It is kind of on the long side. That's why I said you do not have to do it all today. Even if you want to set yourself like a timer, like 30 minutes and then take a break, and then maybe another 30 minutes and take a break, I'm fine with that. As long as you get it done by the end of Monday, I think we'll be in good shape. Okay, but let me show you where to go. So this is your class link page. This is your main page. You're going to click on where it says IXL. And when you do that, a new screen will pop up. This is your IXL. We're going to be working in here at least once or twice a week for math and probably once or twice a week for reading too. So you will be using this app a lot. But once you get to your main page, you're going to go to this D word here. It's diagnostic. And when you click on that, this screen will pop up. You are going to jump into the arena. So this is where your diagnostic is for math and for reading. But we're going to go ahead and jump into here, and we are going to start doing your math diagnostic. So let's give it a moment or two to load. Okay, so when you get your first question, this is what it's going to look like. These are both pretty complex types of questions. You do not have to answer them. You just need to pick one. So I would say pick on this question. So what will happen is you click on it and it's going to give you your first set of questions. If you do not know how to do this question, which I don't think that you will, but if you do, answer it. But if you do not know how to do this question, you can go down here where it says, I don't know this yet, and you can click it. If you click this, it's going to give you another question. You can click this button 10 times. I don't care. I just want you to get to a question that you can answer on your own. So if anytime while you're going through your questions, you don't know how to do it, just click that you don't know how to do it yet. And that will give me very accurate information about your math scores. And that's it. So just spend today working on your IXL. And like I said, you don't have to get it all done today, but if you would like to, just kind of knock it out of the park, go for it. But today, start working on this, and then I'll check to see how you do probably by the end of the day. And then if you are done, I'll give you something different for Monday. If you're not done, I'll just have you continue to work on this. Go ahead and let me know if you have any questions. You can email me back to the email I sent you. You can also call my office number. It's 412-545-9985. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. So just complete your IXL. Again, it's just this IXL button here on your dashboard. And then you go into the diagnostic and then into the arena. Thanks a bunch, Gio, and I will see you in class on Tuesday.